Good friends are like stars. You don't always see them, but you know they are always there. Friends are not only important on an individual level, friendship can also be important on a global level. World Friendship Day, also known as International Day of Friendship, takes place on 30th July. It's a campaign promoting unity within diversity to foster friendship and bridge the gap between race, religion, and other determinants. This day is celebrated to show how much you appreciate your friends and how important they are to you and how you cherish their friendship. Now, students of class 3rd C will present their views on friendship.
Good morning. My name is Rida. Today, thought of the day is friendship is the only cement that will ever hold the world together. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Adarsh Sharma. Today I am talking about current affairs. PM Modi inaugurates Asia's largest solar power project, Reva Solar Power in Madhya Pradesh. Mukesh Ambani has become the fifth richest man of the world. GMR Hyderabad International Airport introduced India's first fully contactless car parking. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Garan Sharma. Today I am going to speak about friends. Make new friends but keep the old. One is silver, the other is gold. The circle is round, it have no end. That how much long I will be your friend. You have one and I have other. Put them together, we have each other. The silver is precious, the gold is too. I am precious, so are you. You help me and I help you, and together we will see it through. Make new friends but keep the old. One is silver, the other is gold. Thank you and have a nice.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Tanishka Samal from 3rd C. Today I would like to know the story of the true friend. Once upon a time in a forest lived two friends, Deer Nick and Elephant Jumbo. Both of them shared great friendship. Nick, you are my true friend. Oh, really? You are my best friend too. Their friendship was getting strong day by day. One day, a new monkey, Chimpu, came in the jungle. Deer Nick and Monkey Chimpu had become best friends. Nick started spending all his time with Chimpu. Jumbo didn't like this sudden change. He asked Nick, Nick, why don't you play with me anymore? That is because Chimpu is my true friend. One day, Nick and Chimpu are playing in a forest. Suddenly, lion came. I will eat you. What do we do now? Chimpu climbed up in a tree and saved himself. I will eat you. You are my food. Right in time, Elephant Jumbo came in between to